Hello, guys, welcome back to Daily Happenings. Now, there are a lot of questions going on the internet as to whether crypto was going to rise again or it was still going to drop as time goes on. And I'm going to answer these questions based on the predictions of the past. Now, you've seen the trends of recent. There was a surge in the price of cryptocurrencies, and so many people had invested a lot. Now, the adoption of cryptocurrency became so much as to when the COVID-19 crisis started, as people were looking for diverse places to invest their money. But after the fall of cryptocurrencies, many people are already having this skeptical thinking about as to whether to continue with crypto. If you go on social media platforms, you see that this thing has been trending for quite some time, and so many people are waiting for answers because they have lost a lot of money in crypto. Now, so many things have influenced the market of recent, and one of which is those that have pulled out of the market, those big investors that have actually pulled out of the crypto market. Another thing that has influenced the crypto market was China actually banning cryptocurrencies in the country, and which has led to the removal of several billions of dollars from the crypto market, which has also dropped the prices in crypto. Now, the question that was posed to us now is, will crypto rise again? Now, let me answer it this way. This has been going on for quite some time. This is not the first time we've experienced a fall of almost this magnitude in crypto market, and there's a high possibility that it is going to get back to normal, and if possible rise beyond normal. Now, the market is just experiencing a lot of decrease due to so many factors surrounding it, and so many people are pouring the blames on so many things. I saw a recent news of someone actually going to meet the person that actually invested the money for him, and he was really mad at him, and that is not the solution. Now, if you're investing in the crypto market now, it might be good for you because you are taking advantage of the dip, although the dip keeps getting deeper, but you can take advantage of the dip so that whatever rise comes after, it's more profit for you. Now, there are so many people that actually bought these cryptocurrencies at a high price because they just got to know about these cryptocurrencies. Of course, if you're waiting for it to go back, that means you are planning a long-term investment for your cryptocurrency. So mostly I will say, for me, as cryptocurrency is more of a long-term investment than a short one, because you try to gain as much as possible, and in cryptocurrencies you can, of course, you can take advantage of the spread, although most people that really make it in cryptocurrencies actually put it as a long-term stuff. Now, imagine you had invested just a few hundreds of dollars in Bitcoin for quite some time. That's around when it started. You should know how much you will be worth as at this point in time. So crypto is more of a long-term business, long-term investment, and if you want to be a part of the trend, if you want to be one of those that will profit much in this crypto market, then you have to be ready for these kind of times. These are trying times for crypto marketers. It actually shows if you're strong enough to bear what is coming for you presently, because that's how you differentiate a true investor from someone that has no knowledge about it. And so many people have been pulling out of the market because they cannot take as much stress as this in the market. And for you to be a good investor, you need to know that there are challenging times for investors, and if you keep pulling out, you just keep losing more money. And when there will be a surge in this cryptocurrency, it might just happen within a twinkle of an eye. You know, one thing about cryptocurrencies is that it is very volatile. So the same way it's dropping is the same way it can rise. So there was a trend I saw when Bitcoin started reducing. It was running as fast as from $53,000 to about $39,000, and so many memes came at a lot as a result of that. And you might expect that this might stay at that point or might even drop further, but I might shock you now to say that this same Bitcoin that dropped as fast as that might just rise as fast as that. You might just wake up one particular morning and just see that it is above the skies. You know, like my friend would say, he says the crypto market is all about when men slept. So when you're sleeping, trade might be going on and you might not know, and it will just surge and go up one particular day when you are not expecting. So I'm expecting most people to actually stay in the market. Just imagine also if you had invested in Doge for in the year probably 2016, by now you should have gained about 25,000% of your money. So if you're dropping in crypto, last advice, stay. Don't run from it, because if you run, you have lost. As at this point in time, if you had invested several thousands of dollars or several hundreds of dollars in the crypto markets as about last week, you must have lost a lot by now. I know what I'm talking about. I have friends that have done that. I personally have lost a lot of money from the crypto market, as a point in time came when so many people started installing the Binance app, and it will help their mental health. I can say it, but stay in the market. Don't run away, because when the time for profiting comes, you might miss it if you are not in the trend. So you don't want to be part of those victims that will wait till it rises before you start buying. Buy the dip. Don't wait for any advice from anybody. Just buy the dip. Even if it gets deeper, it will get higher in the future. All right guys, that's that for now. I'm sure you had a great time. I did too. But if you've not subscribed, you can get our content part time, so please subscribe to our channel, hit the push notification bell on this channel so that you will be the first to get updates as we keep dropping. Also share our content to your friends, to your families, and what have you, so that they will also get amazing updates as we keep dropping. Thanks so much guys for your time. I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful week ahead.